like कसम मैं तंग हुई इन चार्ज से यार. Hello everyone and welcome back. So here we are starting our first tutorial series because there was a lot of comments and I was also thinking to start a speed code video on this Holy Qur'an application, but then I thought let's start a series which will be kind of a mixture of speed code and tutorial, right? So where I will be using coding the UI part that we will speed up. You get the point, right? So let's get started, and we are going to have like a series of videos, like probably two, three, maybe four, because I do not want to get to exceed the length more than like 10 minutes or 12 minutes, so that you won't get bored. And another thing is that during this series, I will be making other videos as well, so that people who are not interested in learning this application, they will learn some other stuff, right? So in this part, I will be basically talking about the basic stuff of the application, like setting up the project. The project is set already, but going through the project structure, then the assets, or the UI design, that how we are going to develop the application from the scratch. The next step will be setting up the dark theme first, because uh, there's no because, but setting up the theme basically. And then we are going to switch to like we are going to enable the dark mode, like having the light mode and the dark mode with a switch in the drawer. And probably, if time permits, in this video, because I do not know what will be the length of this video, we are going to have that 3D drawer as well, right? So let's get started. Okay, so I have created this basic project in Flutter, and please be noted that I'm using Flutter 2.0, and the older application was developed in Flutter 1.2.6, I think. So there might be a few changes. Although the project is open source and the application is already on the Play Store, both of the link to the Play Store and the code are in the description if you want to check out, or you can say that if you want to go ahead of this tutorial series, right? So let's go through the project structure first. So I have all the assets ready with me, the basic, like we already have this image that we are going to use, then we have this Kaaba image, gradient logo, we have the simple black logo as well. So all the assets are ready, and the structure which I'm going to follow is simple MVC. There's no fancy stuff, no rocket science. We have this view, and in this view we are going to have three sub views, separate view for surah and for sajda and the juz, or you can say the paras. And we are going to have a model class and a control class and an animation. Although it looks like that this app is full of animations, and that's technically right, but there are just two animations which I've used with different, with variety of changes, like changing the position and style and everything. So there are only two animations in the full application. So yep, this was pretty much it about the project structure. So let's get started with the basic thing, that is setting up the theme, and then we are going to talk about how to switch to the dark theme, and then the third thing, which is the 3D drawer. Yeah, so we are here and my app is running, and basically I'm using a real mobile device, not to avoid like not going on emulator. So it's my mobile phone basically, you can see, and I'll just mirror it over here. So the application is running on a real device. It's up to you, you can run on emulator, but while recording this tutorial, there are a lot of things running on my laptop right now, So yeah, let's get into this. So first of all, as I mentioned that we are going to talk about the basic thing. We're gone through the, we're already done with the project structure and understanding that we have the assets and everything. So first of all, let me just set the onboarding screen, and for that I am going to use a package, and the package name is basically, I have all the packages here with me. Where are they? Yeah. So the package name is Flutter Overboard, and this is the version 2.0.1, and we are going to hit pub get, and once the package is here, we are going to have the home view, which is basically, I've named it as home view, but it shouldn't be home view. It's basically the onboarding screen, and then we are going to move to the to the next part, right? So we have, yes, the package is fetched. So let's see, and since it's simply a package, so there's no rocket science involved in it. I'm going to use simple assets and text information to set up the onboarding screen. So yeah, let's get going. So yeah, we are done with the onboarding screen, and since I've used a basic package, so the animations are built in, or you can say it's already there, and I've just put in some views in it. So yeah, that's pretty straight. And if you just click on the next button, it will move to next. If you click on the finish button, it will finish up, and we are here on the home screen. So now is the part to get started with the dark theme first, and then we are going to move to the dark theme switcher, and I'm using provider package for that. And to be very honest, I'm not very good at providers, so I'm just using providers for the dark theme switch, and that's it, right? So let's get into the first setting up the theme, basic theme, and then we are going to talk about how we are going to set the dark theme preferences for our application. Yeah. Okay, so we are here and we are done with the dark mode, and it's kind of a simple dark mode. So yeah, that was pretty much it for the dark mode side. And this is the error for the share preferences. Well, that's because I haven't rebuilt the app. So once the app is rebuilt, this error will be resolved. And since we are just running the app and it says that there's nothing in the share preferences, and that's why it's giving the error. So yeah, we are done with the dark mode. Congratulations. So the next thing that we are going to work with will be the 3D drawer, and I'll put them in the next tutorial because this one is already more than 15 minutes, I guess. So yeah, and please, if you have any suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I would love to improve myself. So see you soon in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.